What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you and explain to you how you can get rare profile icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket that you usually don't obtain by just opening an account. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So first off, let's open up our profile and see what icons are available. Now here you have 6 usual starter icons and 2 special ones that I previously acquired. So I will now put on the screen all the rare icons that are obtainable. So these are all the icons that you can obtain in Pokemon TCG. And here's how you can obtain each one of them. So let's first start from the least rare one, the Electrode icon. If you want to obtain this Electrode icon, you will need to collect 3 Electrode cards, and once you collect 3 Electrode cards, this icon will be credited to your account. Now let's move over to the second most common one, the Gardevoir icon. So to obtain this icon, you would need to collect 5 Gardevoir cards. Next up on the list of rarity is the Charizard icon. So same for the previous card, you would need to collect 5 Charizard cards to unlock the Charizard icon. And you can collect these cards by just opening the Charizard Genetic Apex packs. So that would be the fastest way to obtain it. Next up is the Mewtwo icon. So the same rule goes for the Mewtwo icon also. In order to get the Mewtwo icon, you would need to have at least 5 Mewtwo cards. And once you collect those cards, the Mewtwo icon will be credited to your account. So the last and the rarest icon is the Meowth profile icon. So you could only buy the Meowth profile icon from the event shop once the Meowth event was active. So once the event finished, you can no longer acquire it. And that's the last and the rarest collectible icon in Pokemon TCG Pocket. That brings us to the end of the video on how to obtain each one of these special icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.